Good morning, my amazing minions. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit more informative just because the video that I did have planned for you guys today, I'm not quite done editing. And I didn't want to just not put a video out there. So today we're going to be doing my most requested video on Instagram, which is what is my hair care routine. I really don't have one, but I want to show you guys what products I love and swear by that are amazing for my hair that is now blonde, good for maintaining, good for keeping the brass and keeping the color for longer. Alright guys, so if you want to know more about everything I use on my hair to keep it nice and amazing and thick and full and beautiful, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me those thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just do it right in the comment box below. Thanks guys. Alright, so since I don't have a hair care routine, I want to show you guys what I typically use step by step. We're going to start off with shampoos. So here are two shampoos that I love and I'm currently using. For starters, I have these Color Care shampoo from Brazilian Bond Builder. I got these both on Amazon. They're a little bit on the pricey side, but if you buy them both, it's like maybe 70 bucks, 60 bucks, something like that. I don't quite remember. I will put the link in the description box below so you guys have an idea. But these are amazing, amazing, amazing. This was recommended to me from my hairstylist. FYI, this is not an ad. But this was recommended by my hairstylist. I've been using this ever since I started my blonde journey. They're really good in the fact that it doesn't leave your hair feeling thick, brittle, or like hay. It actually hydrates, and I have very, very dry scalp, but this really hydrates. It actually suds up when you put it on your head, which is like a big thing that I like to look at when I'm using shampoo. But once you use the conditioner, it's amazing. Your hair is nice and soft and luscious, and it like shines, like it really, really shines. The next shampoo that I've been using for the past month and a half has got to be the Nicole Guerriero's Iced Berry Queen shampoo from OGX. I love the shampoo conditioner combination that she just released. You can find these in, I think, Target. I found mine. Amazing. I freaking love it. It makes my hair really, really soft and gentle, and also it gives it just an amazing, amazing smell. I DM'd Nicole before she launched the shampoos, and I asked her, like literally asked her, what is good for dry, brittle, colored, thin hair? And she definitely recommended the Iceberry Queen one, and I love it. I really, really, really love it. The smell is absolutely amazing. The formula is really great, and a little bit goes a long way. Super good. I really feel like this has also contributed to my hair being so full lately. I've had really thin hair for almost my whole life, and all of a sudden, look, like I don't even know what to do with it anymore. It's so much. Next, this is something my hairstylist also recommended. This is the Free No Yellow shampoo from Fanola. I also bought this on Amazon. Super amazing. This is a purple shampoo hair treatment that I use once a week only. It says it's a shampoo, but my hairstylist told me to just put it in my hair once a week and for about half an hour. And literally this is really, really good for keeping the colors. You guys can see I have some gray on top just because I do want to change my hair from blonde to like not a platinum but like a beigey color. So he's been trying to get my hair there little by little, and as you can see, look, like it's so silver, and I love it. And this shampoo has done miracles to my hair. Like I said, it is powerful. If you leave it on for longer, it will kind of tint your hair, but after the second, third wash, trust me, you go back to blonde. And again, I'll put a link in the description box below so you guys can also have access to exactly which one it is that I use. But I'm not gonna lie, I do definitely swear by this treatment. Once a week, 20 to 30 minutes, amazing blonde hair. Now I'm gonna go on to things I use after my shower. So for starters, I'm gonna go through these two. This is my L'Oreal Advanced Hair Care Smooth Intense Extreme Straight Cream, and it's a 10 Miracle Shine Spray. I use these both mostly when I'm gonna straighten my hair. That means blow drying or straightening it with a flat iron. These two are so good. This one I like to use before applying the heat, and this one I like to use after I apply the heat. This one will protect my hair, so it says it's weightless shine, softness, improves elasticity, antioxidant, environmental protection, anti-humidity, and minimizes frizz. Thermal protection, imparts control and manageability, seals and protects hair. Super good. This is what I like to use before I blow dry or before I use a flat iron, just because it adds all the protection it needs and my hair needs before I, add some heat. Well, this one over here I like to use after, just because it actually, sometimes my hair will get a bit staticky after I straighten my hair, and this kind of lowers down the static, leaves my hair nice and straight for longer as well. Another thing I like to use for my hair if I want to air dry it is this Nourishing and Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum, also from OGX. This is more of an oil, since I did say my hair tends to be more on the dry side. This kind of keeps the moisture locked onto my hair for longer, making it more lively. Super good. This is something I also don't use much. I'll use it like once a week as well. I like to change everything often just so my hair doesn't get used to a certain product and will benefit my hair more. Another thing I like to use for air drying my hair is OUAI Hair Care Air Drying Foam. My hair is wavy, I guess, but this kind of enhances my curls. It has my hair air dry, but it kind of gives it like a nice wave at the end once my hair dries. And also what I feel like it does is it enhances my hair color. So it says here, crunch on time, this major time-saving wash and wear form creates perfect air dried waves. Skip the braids, buns, and clips. Packed with kale extract for soft texture that lasts and never gets gross or crunchy. Definitely, completely agree. I use this, my hair waves up and it's nice soft waves, so this is perfect for when I am going out to work especially. This is also another treatment I like to use on my hair like once a month. This is the Living Proof Restore Instant Repair Complete Breakage Solution. Instantly mends and transforms for all hair types. Amazing. Just because I'll use this again once a month, like this does what biotin does. Like it tries to strengthen my hair and it doesn't leave any grease or any of that behind. My hair ends up super soft, super manageable throughout the day, and then throughout the week or the month I can literally see and feel my hair improving. I tend to put all these products towards my ends and not my scalp, just because again my scalp is very dry and I'm not trying to contribute to dryness. And last but not least, I like to use the Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry. This is a dry shampoo, so I don't shampoo every single day. I shampoo, if anything, every other day. Lately I've been shampooing every 2 to 3 days, just because I feel like sometimes my hair doesn't need to shower, and during those intermediate days I'll put on this dry shampoo, which is amazing, like so good. It doesn't leave my hair crunchy, it doesn't give me flakes or a dry scalp, and it smells okay. It smells alright. It actually smells like hairspray, so that's the only thing that I would change about this, the smell. But other than that, it doesn't dry my hair. I get no residue or flakes on my scalp, nothing. And it soaks my hair, my scalp soaks it up, and I literally have great volume for like the next day or two. And again, this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. It says it cleans beyond ordinary dry shampoos. And I have to say, it really does. I love it. It's amazing. And all of these are really good hair protectants, as well as enhances my hair color for some weird reason. I feel like sometimes, some days my hair is lighter, some days my hair is darker. So that concludes our informative video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about any of the products I showed you today, definitely put it down in the comment box below. I will be putting the links in the description box so you guys get an idea of every product I use that's super good on my hair color, everything. Alright? But that's it. This concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you next time, and hopefully I can edit that other video fast enough because it's super long. I hope it doesn't get too long, but I think it is. Anyways, without further ado, bye guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. See you next time.